Hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a text renderer in Scratch. So delete this. Let's get started. First you need all the digits from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9 like this. One, two. Name should be as same as the digit inside. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0 in the last, and name it 0, not 10. Now you also need space, if space or delete everything and name this space. Then you need comma, or you need point. Name this point. Now make a variable which you want. For example, if it's score for all sprites. Now when the green flag clicked, forever change score by 1, wait 1 second, then go to again when the green flag clicked, and then make two variables, clone number for this sprite only and clone id for this sprite only. Then set clone number to 0, repeat 10 or the number of digits you want to render. I think 12 will be enough. Create clone of myself and change clone number by 1. Then when I start as a clone, set clone id to clone number, then forever switch to costume, letter clone id of score, and add a if else, switch to costume and show. If length of score is equal to is less than clone id, then hide, else show, and switch to costume. And also add here move 10 steps and add here a show, or no need of show. Now let's see if it works. And also add here a hide, or add here hide here. Then add a position where you want to render this, and you also need a costume named score, and the text should be score. Now score, go to x 0 0, go to front and show, and remove hide from here. Then also add, go to x 0 and y 0 and starting the script, and set score to 0 when the green flag is clicked. Let's see if it works. Now it's working, but bit of problem. Move this downwards, far from the center. Now it's not looking good, so put here a hide, and then it should render, and this, and also add here a render with run screen without refresh. First it will render. Now this is working. Let's see it with double 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. You can increase or decrease the space between the letters. Yeah, go to edit, add a number input, letter spacing, and put it here. Now letter spacing is 10, or let's try 8. Score is increasing per second. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now this is looking good. If you make it faster, it's supporting 3-digit numbers. It can support maximum of 10-digit numbers, 12-digit numbers, the number of clones here. You can also add, go to edit, add digits, and then a number input, digits, then add it, put it here, and number of digits 12. Sorry, number of digits should be a 12. Now it will support 12 digits. Or if I put 2, it won't show beyond 99. It will look like this. So make it 12 at least, and name this text renderer. You can use this in a pure form for any of your games like shooter games and etc. Thank you guys for watching.
My happy home.